Hello and welcome to the Crazy Coders Club. In this video, I am going to teach you some of the most effective functions and features of Google Sheet. This is the second video of Master the Google Sheet series. In case if you have not watched the first one, I have linked the video in the description. If you are new here, we make videos on automation using Google App Script, technology and coding. If you want to receive the notification, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. In this episode, we will cover these three topics: how to create series of numbers using autofill, how to insert today's date, and functions like trim, concatenate and isEmail. Sometimes you want to create a series of numbers very quickly without having to type each number manually, and this can be done by using autofill. Let's see how to do it. The first method: enter the starting value of the series, select the cells, move your cursor to the right bottom corner, hold Ctrl and left click of your mouse and drag it down. This will create the series of numbers. Let's move to the second method. In the second method, enter the starting values of the series in the two adjacent cells, select the cells, move your cursor to the right bottom corner and just hold the left click and drag it down. This will create the series of numbers. This second method is useful when creating the custom series. Let's say I want to create a series of even numbers. Enter the starting two values of the series in the adjacent cell, select the cell, move your cursor to the right bottom corner and hold left click and drag it down. This will create the series. Let's move to the next one. Now I will show you how to insert today's date in Google Sheet. Select the cell where you want to insert the date, press equal, type today and you will get the suggestion. Select this particular function and enter. Inserting date in Google Sheet is very simple. Let's move to the next one. Now I will show you how to clean up the data using Google Sheet built-in function called trim. Suppose you are working with the data which is collected from the survey, which might include some unnecessary spaces in the beginning, in the middle or in the end, which disturbs the alignment. Let's see how to clean it up. Select the cell where you want to have the cleaned up data, press equal, enter trim, select this particular function and this is the data which I want to clean up. Select this and enter. As you can see here, all the unnecessary spaces are removed and the name is properly formatted. And also it is asking for the autofill suggestion. I'll click OK. Now the names are properly formatted and it is looking good and also aligned properly. Let's move to the next one. Now I will show you how to join words by using built-in function called concatenate. Concatenate is just a fancy word for joining. In this case, we are joining first name and the last name to get the full name. Let's see how it is done. Click on this cell, press equal, enter concatenate. You will get a suggestion. Click on this particular function, select the first name, enter and include space between the quotes, space, quote and enter and select the last name and enter. You have got the full name. To apply all, select this particular cell and drag it down. Now we have got the full name. Let's move to the next one. Now I will show you how to validate email address by using built-in function called isEmail. Suppose you are working with a list of email and you want to use this list in your email client to send bulk emails. It is a best practice to validate your email address so that you will have a proper address to communicate. Let's see how it is done. Select this particular cell, press equal, type isEmail. You will get a suggestion. Select this particular function and select this cell and enter. It is validated. Let us apply to all. IsEmail function returns true or false. It looks for the proper format of the email. As you can see here, these two does not include proper extension and here it doesn't have @ symbol. In this one, it is not having anything in front of @. Thank you for watching. Part 2 is complete. In the next part, we will see how to add filters and conditional formatting.